Philo, prepare for landing.
Prepare for landing, Captain.
Another safe landing.
It's good to be on the ground again.
Dropping anchor.
Drop that anchor stand.
Hey, Jaxon.
Hey, Mr. Stan.
Come on in. Welcome to the Very Airy Library. What do you think?
Wow.
I'm glad you like it. Come on, have a seat right there.
Cody, who is that little man?
Shh, they're about to do an interview.
Oh,
Hello, fellow story explorers. I'm here with Jaxon Lee Stiles from Noonan, Georgia, and he wrote a book that he's going to share with us today. Thank you, Jaxon. So tell us, why did you write this book?
I wrote it so I could write something about my favorite football player,
Oh, your favorite football player, and I'm guessing that's him. Who is your favorite football player?
Julio Jones.
Oh, Julio Jones. I've heard that name before. What team does he play for?
He used to play for the Falcons,
Okay.
but now he plays for Tennessee.
Oh, okay. I see you have, looks like a Falcons jersey there, and now he has a Tennessee Titan jersey there. Cool. What would you do if you ever had the chance to meet Julio?
I would ask him to sign my book, jersey, and my football.
Man, that sounds like a great thing to do if you meet him. Awesome.
I have an idea, Stanley. Why don't we deposit the young man's book into the Eternal Library?
oh yeah. Put it in the gobbler. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Just lift the handle in the center of the table and place the book inside.
Jaxon, are you ready?
I'm very ready.
Ooh. Put your book in right there. All right, here we go.
Commencing literary ingestion process.
The gobbler gonna eat the words.
It's cool, isn't it?
Process complete.
I have one more surprise for you.
What is it?
Are you ready?
Yes.
We're gonna take you to see your favorite football player, and I got you his jersey.
Whoa! This is amazing. A Titan jersey. Julio Jones.
Guess what?
What?
We're taking the Very Airy Library to the game.
Whoa.
Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Next stop, Titan Stadium.
Have your own story to tell? Be sure to sign up for the Leap for Literacy Share Your Story program. You can find the link in the description below. You might even have a chance to visit the Very Airy Library.
Come on, the magical, incredible, fantastical.